Good morning, children. Welcome back to math session. In yesterday's class, I asked you to just do 3.2 exercise, that is basing on median mode. Okay. In today's class, okay, just take it as a homework of the graph sums. You know the graph is in which exercise? I think you all know that is exercise 3.3, right? The children who finished yesterday, no problem, okay? So don't ask me again that we have to do again, like thing like that, okay? Who finished is well and good, because some children have sent to me the pics like a PDF after finishing that 3.3 exercise that is basing on the graph, okay? So it is very clear for you. Exercise 3.3, today's homework, you just take it, okay? And if you have any doubts regarding the graphs also you can ask. And in that sixth question, exercise 3.3 sixth question, that is little bit a question, it depends upon double graph and everything. But don't take sixth question, I'll give you one activity basing on sixth question. Basing on sixth question, I am going to give an activity, okay? Is it clear, children? Because we have an art education, okay, art integration course, that is like an activity, and that is like an activity. How you have to do everything I am going to let you know, okay? So for that we have one link I am going to send you, okay? Who are interested to do, actually all should do that, okay? But if you are showing more interest and if you want to do early, just send message that I am going to send the link. Basing on the Punjab, we have to do it. Our aim is that you don't think, so what is this everything? Don't be get confused. I am going to tell you soon. Okay, so leave that one like that. Now, coming to today's topic is nothing but probability. What is this probability? So I think it is very new topic to you all. Okay, probability. Okay, it is very new topic to you all, probability. Here I'll explain some examples, then you'll understand what is probability. Okay, see here, I'll read some points. It will probably rain today. The question, it will probably rain today. The question is, it will probably rain today means what? How can you say that it is going to rain today? Are you gods? No. But how you can say it is going to rain today? See, you can say, because I'll tell you, it may happen or it may not happen. It is not sure. It is not sure. It may happen or it may not. But how we are going to say that today it is going to rain? See, it is in a past experience. It is in a past experience that by seeing the outside weather, it is very cloudy and the weather is cool, wind, everything is changes. So immediately then what you'll feel that maybe it is going to rain today. Probably. It's not compulsory, I am telling you. It is not compulsory. There is a chance. We'll call it as a chance. There is a chance of getting rain today. But it's not compulsory. That is 50-50 chances. Okay. One more question I'll give you. I doubt that he'll pass the test. The question is, I doubt that he'll pass the test. Why you have doubt on that a particular person that she or he will pass the test? How you know? Because you may know the past experience again here also. Because being your classmate or any other relatives or any friend, she is attending the exam. Okay, she attend the exam. But always she or he is to fail, okay? But all of a sudden, your friends are telling this time she may pass, she or he may pass this time. But how you are going to say like that? That is, we can't say, children, that is depend upon completely on the child performance. That is completely depend upon the child performance. If she does hard work, compulsory she is going to pass, okay? But the children among your side, they are telling that she is going to pass this time, means they may have seen that the girl is doing the hard work. The girl is doing the hard work. That's why they observed everything and they told this time maybe she may pass, she or he. Okay. So that is also 50-50 chances. We don't know that it is compulsory she is going to pass. That is also 50-50 chances. Okay. One more question. Most probably Kavita will stand first in the annual examination. Most probably Kavita will stand first in the annual examination. How you are going to say most probably? That means most means almost all she is only getting always first rank. Why? Because just I'll give you an example. Maybe she is getting, suppose there are PA1, PA2, PA3, PA4 exams are there. In this all PA up to PA4 exams, she scored good marks and she secured first rank. Then obviously what others will fail, this time also in the annual examination also, this Kavita only will get the first rank. That means chances are there, most chances are there. But it's not going to happen. I don't know that, you also don't know that it is going to happen or not. But most chances are there. Why? Because every time she is only getting the first rank. So there is also a chance, but it's not compulsory. Okay. Next, chances are high that the price of diesel will go up. Chances are there. We don't know whether it will go up or it will come down. But they are telling chances are high. It depends upon the government. Okay. Next, there are 50-50 chances of India winning a toss in today's match. But you all know by watching the cricket, okay, you will be knowing that today it is going to win or not. You don't know, but till the last ball or till the last end of the over, you cannot say it is going to win or not. There are 50-50 chances. That means you can say in the starting 50-50 chances are there today India may win or not. But after seeing till the end of the match, again you may get out, maybe today India may lost, like that. But again by seeing at the last end of the over, maybe we have again chances to win. So like that. That means it's not, everything is not compulsory. It is probably it is going to be happen. That means which is not going to, there are 50-50 chances. That is nothing but probability. Okay. So the words like probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. It is going to come like that. Okay. But in your textbook, children, once you open your textbook, page number 76, that is exercise 3.4. okay, so don't get confused, just only I told you the examples. Okay, now you will understand very clearly. See here, tell whether the following is certain to happen. There are questions they are asking. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. There are three questions they are asking. Certain to happen. Okay, next, impossible means it's highly impossible. That is depend upon the question, you can say it is highly impossible or not. Can happen but not certain means it may happen but not sure, like that. Okay, see here, you are older today than yesterday. Okay, you are older today than yesterday. Certain to happen. Yes, it is going to happen. Next, a tossed coin will land heads up. If you are just tossing a coin, it turns, means when you are tossing a coin, head turns up, means head came up. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but it is not always possible. That's why you have to write the answer can happen but not certain. How? What is the answer? You have to write the first one. See here, you are older today than yesterday. Certain to happen. Yes, it is going to happen. A tossed coin will land heads up. Okay, a tossed coin, you tossed a coin, head came up. Yes, it is going to be happen, but always not. Why can't a toss, tail may not come? Chances are there for tail also. So that's why a head may come up, but not always. That's why you can write the answer can happen but not certain. Okay, next, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. You know the die. Die contains 6 numbers. Okay. Die contains 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you throw a die and you will play, only chances what you are having to get the chances 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other than 6, you will never get anything. Why? Because the die contains only 6 numbers. So if you play one time, you may get 2. Next time you throw the die, you may get 5. Next time you may get 3. Next time you may get 6. Next time 1, 2, like that. Or 6 again, second time may also come. But other than 6, there is no chance. But here the question is, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. There is no 8. How it is going to come 8 on the top? It is highly impossible. So that's why answer you have to write as impossible. Okay. Next. The next traffic lights seen will be green. Suppose you are traveling from one place to another place. Okay. While you are traveling from one place to another place, you have observed a traffic signal there. You have seen the just you stop there. Okay. And now next imagination you may get doubt. Maybe next signal you may get green or red. You will be in doubt. But here the question is not like that. The next traffic light seen will be green. Okay. That means when you are going to the next signal, you are thinking that it is going to be green. Yes, obviously it happens or it may not. So that's why what you have to write the answer, can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Next, tomorrow will be cloudy day. We don't know, but it may be cloudy. Yes or no? So that's why this one also can happen but not certain. Is it clear? The first 5 questions you have to answer. Write this one in the classwork. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Write in CW. Exercise 3.4. Write in CW, and 3.3 take it as a homework. If you finished yesterday in 3.3, just keep it calm. Okay. Now, there are 6 marbles. Second question. There are 6 marbles in a box. Okay. There is a box here. Okay. There are 6 marbles. Okay. How many marbles are there? 6 marbles are there. Okay. In a box, there are 6 marbles. From 1 to 6, they are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are marked as 1 to 6 on each of them. What is the probability of drawing a marble with a number 2? That means, probability means what you are picking up. What is the chance you are getting up? What is the chance you are getting? That means outcome. That you will call it as a outcome. We will call it as a outcome. Is asking the question, what is the probability of getting with a number 2? Probability of drawing a marble. Drawing means from this box you are drawing 2 number outside. From this box you are drawing 2. Drawing means you are taking from the box. Drawing means you are taking. Okay. So 2 you are just picking up. So 2 you are taking means how many chances? Only one chance, 2 out of 6. So you have to write 1 by 6. That means this is called what? The 6 is called total number of outcomes given. Okay. That means total number of outcomes 6. How many we got here? Outcome only 2 he will pick up. He gave the question, what is the probability of getting a 2 out? Drawing. Drawing means taking out. So what is the probability of taking 2 outside? Only one chance you will get. So that's why 1. Out of how many? Out of the 6 marbles. So total number of marbles 6. So 2 means only 1. So 1 by 6 answer. Okay. Next. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Again, number 5. Out of 6, if you take suppose a 5 number out. Again only one chance out of 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay. Next. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. Okay. There is a game to be start. Okay. There is a game to be start. What is the probability that your team will start. How many teams are there? 2 teams are there. A coin is flipped. Coin, not, he did not mention any team. Okay. A coin is, here he mentioned a coin, because why here coin means coin have chances of head and tail. Coin will have chances of head and tail. Okay. That means when you toss a coin, you have chance of getting either head or tail. Only 2 chances. Either you may get head or tail. That means 1 by 2, because 2 chances. Why? Because head and tail. Head and tail, 2 chances. Okay. Head and tail, total events 2. Total events 2 head and tail. But here, one time you may get head, that's why 1 by 2. You may get tail, 1 by 2. So chances of probability is nothing but half, that is 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because the coin contains only 2 outcomes, that is head or tail. So that's why we have to take it as a 2 as a total number of event. Okay, total number of outcomes 2. Total number of outcomes is 2. Okay, total number of outcomes is 2. Now event means what? When you want to start the game, you went to the field and you want to decide by tossing a coin. When you're tossing a coin, you know 50-50 chances, right? Because a coin contains only 2, either head or tail. If head comes, you are choose the head, you are going to start the game. If suppose if you said tail and you got the tail, then you will start the game. That means only chance of 1. So 1 by 2. Whether you get head, 1 by 2. Suppose again you said tail, that is also 1 by 2 only. So that's why head also 1 by 2, tail also 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because the coin contains only 2, that is head or tail. So the chances are 2, but 50-50 chances means half. That's why 1 by 2. Either you get head or you may get tail. So that's why half is the answer. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. That means it depends. It depends upon the coin only. It depends upon the coin. Okay. If you choose head, there are 2 teams. Obviously 2 teams. So 1 by 2. And no 2 teams also. But here coin contains only 2 outcomes. Not more than that. Why? Because coin contains head or tail. So that's why we have to take total. Total outcomes are 2. Okay. Total outcomes are 2. Now I think you understand. Now if you get head, 1 by 2. If you get tail also, 1 by 2. That is the probability. Okay children, is it clear? So write the answers in 3.4 in your CW. Okay. So graph, you can draw it in the graph book. Okay, if it is better if you draw in the graph book, it comes very nicely. Okay, better use graph book. After the school reopens, immediately we are going to check the notes and everything, get ready. Okay, and the next class we are going to with congruency of triangles. Okay, so after that comparing with contours and perimeter and area. So 3 chapters are there. So by February 6th I am going to complete the syllabus, and from March 6th or 4th, 6th most probably from March first week we will be going to have final examinations. Okay children, have a nice day.